on this edition of Trainmasters TV. Take a journey to coal country and get inspired.
It's been an absolute joy to come down here and work. I have accomplished more in the last 2 years on this layout than I did in at least the previous 10.
Climb aboard a 4,000 horsepower monster.
I'm standing in front of MLW's Pinnacle freight locomotive, highest horsepower locomotive at its time ever built in Canada and in the US.
And be impressed with one man's track laying obsession.
I mean, I'm a guy that does a lot of detail, but I thought I was a nitpicker and stuff, but this guy, I mean, this is fantastic.
Okay, we just slowly slide it forward and then I'll catch it. All right, now I'm gonna take this end and then we're gonna tip it up. Okay, go ahead. Up. There you go. Okay, set it right down on the edge, right there, set it down. If you're gonna drop it, let me know. Okay, we're gonna set this up against the back, just in front of that post.